Try to act like she working. She was just sitting drinking tea. Now she wanted to do it. Let's see how you do it. That's how you get it done?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, let me do the car like you ready?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's ready.
What?
I'm sorry now. Oh God. Hey you guys, I'm all dolled up today because I just shot I just shot a video for a company, a lipstick company, Red Apple Lipsticks. I've been working with them for years, but this video is going to go up on their channel, and it's basically lip swatches of my favorite red lipsticks from Red Apple Lipsticks. So if you guys are into lipsticks and all that stuff, because I do love beauty and I love green beauty, which is like clean beauty, clean makeup, then yeah, Red Apple Lipsticks. So I just finished filming that video for them. And now the studio is a mess because I have lipstick stuff everywhere. I have makeup wipes. I just need to clean it up and get back to working. So far for today is, I didn't even tell you guys, today is Tuesday, the 2nd of February. And I got up early, did a lot of work for virtual assistant clients, had a Zoom call, and then I showed you guys me walking to the post office to drop off some packages in the snow because we had a snowstorm here in New York yesterday, the 1st of February. And then right after that, I helped my son with some schoolwork. And then right after that, I got into filming this video. And now it is 2 o'clock? Yes, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm going to get something to eat now because I am hungry. I am really hungry. And then after that, I need to do some more work for my virtual assistant business, package orders, edit the video that I just recorded for Red Apple lipsticks, post on Instagram. Girl, it just adds up. I must say thank you guys so much for all the support with my recent sticker launch with the Black History Month stickers. You guys are not playing. One person ordered like $50 worth of stickers. I was like, what? And they were all Black History Month stickers. They ordered 17 stickers in total. And I was like, thank you. Thank you. So the orders are coming through for the Black History Month stickers. I really appreciate it. Oh, so do you guys like my shirt? This hood sweatshirt, it says a little hood, a little witchy. It's from a fellow influencer. Her name is Natalie Malika. She also goes by the Intuitive Queen on her social media platforms. And yeah, I love this shirt. Love it. All right, so that's that. Let me clean up this place and get to work because me talking here is not paying the bills. I need to get on this computer over here, answer those emails for my virtual assistant clients and get these bills paid because I don't have the corporate job anymore. That corporate check is not coming anymore and I miss that corporate check. So I have to hustle and make it work and do what I have to do. So I will talk to you guys in a few. Hey YouTube family. I can't even look at you guys in the eye. Like I'm scared. I'm so ashamed to look at you in the eye because it is now Saturday and I haven't vlogged much in this entire week. And I'm ashamed and I'm sorry. And I want to make sure, I'm gonna look at you guys now, I'm sorry. I accept my shame, I'm sorry. But I want to make sure like I really create quality content for you guys. And that's something that I'm brainstorming and I'm working on going forward. But the reason why though I wasn't able to vlog or I didn't vlog is because I've been busy on the virtual assistant side. What it is when I get in the zone to work, I don't remember to turn on the camera. I just go and go and go. And that's essentially what happened. So it is Saturday and it's like, ma'am, what do you have to show us today? I don't have much, but I hope you guys stick around for the next vlog because I will have more then. I plan on recording more and showing more of my daily life as I am trying to make it after quitting my corporate job. I was having this discussion with a few ladies regarding how life is going after quitting my corporate job. And I think I might do an update video with that because it has ups and downs. I miss the checks. I am not going to sit here and lie and be like, oh my God, I miss the checks. I miss the money. It's the truth, it's facts. And even though I speak about leaving my corporate job, I never want anyone to feel like there's anything wrong with having a corporate job because I did it for many years and I was satisfied, I was fine. I don't have an issue, I don't see anything wrong with people having 9-to-5 jobs and loving it. But it's just that my life changed, my life pivoted, and my priorities changed, so I changed with it. But you're watching this and you have a 9-to-5 and you just excel and that is your preference, do that. Because I did it for many years and I never thought I was going to leave my 9-to-5 job earlier on. Within the recent years, yes, it started coming to my head. But before, when I was much younger, no, I didn't have that entrepreneurial spirit, entrepreneurial dream. I don't know. So don't let anyone discourage you or make you feel bad for having a 95. That's what I'm just trying to say. 95s are where it's at if that's what you like. But the update, things are going good. Things are going great. I just have this mentality that I know that no matter what, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to make it big. But I also want to share with you guys how the finances have been, because the finances has definitely changed. And how I'm coping with that, how I'm supplementing my income, my sources of income that I'm getting in now, and are they still equaling what I was getting before? No. No. All the different sources of income that I'm getting currently, all of them still don't equal my one paycheck that I was getting when I was in corporate. But it's okay. The joy is different. The passion is different. And I know that down the line, it's going to be 10 times more. You know, right now, but down the line, it's going to be exponential growth, 10 times more. The blessing is going to just overflow and trickle down so much that it's going to be the abundance. I know the abundance is going to be so strong. Like, I am like so amped up and ready for it that right now is just the phase to just build as much as I can. Anyway, that was a long speech, right? That was a long speech. But I say all that to say I need to share more. I need to share more of this journey and not just jump into things as they're happening on my day-to-day. Anyway, in the world of business, stickers, studio vlog, the Black History Month stickers, you guys are doing amazing. Thank you guys so much for your orders. I shipped out, I even packaged an order. I should have recorded it. I packaged orders this morning. I didn't record it because I just wanted it to get out because my husband was going to work this morning. So I tried to package the orders quickly so that he can just take it with him and drop it in the mailbox when he's at work on his break or something. But I was in a rush and I tried to get the orders out as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for ordering the Black History Month stickers. I really appreciate it. And going forward, what I want to do is think ahead. Like right now, I want to make sure I have March's stickers ready by mid-February. So the middle of the previous month, I should have the next month's stickers ready, or if I plan to do a launch or if I plan to do an update, because I really cut it really close with Black History Month and I really cut it close to Valentine's Day, and I could do better and I have to do better and I will do better. So I'm going to try to be more proactive with that. So I'm already thinking about March. Like, I did Black History Month, I did it quick, it was last minute, and I understand, I will learn next time going forward. But March is already on my mind. March, and I'm trying to make sure I have everything ready for mid-February. Look over there because my calendar is there. So stay tuned for that. But what is this I have in my hand? I got this great idea from a few people on the internet, on the webs, where I want to track where my orders go, or track where I have gotten orders from. So I bought a scratch off map of the United States. I didn't get an international one because I just want to see the United States first. I should have gotten an international map, but I haven't gotten any international orders yet, so I'll wait on that. But I got a map of the United States, and basically when I get an order from a specific state, I will scratch it off. And my goal, you guys, is to get orders from all of the states, every single state, including Puerto Rico and Hawaii and the Virgin Islands, all of them. I want it, all the territories as well. I would like to get stickers ordered from there as well. That would be so cool to have my stickers in every single state and territory. So let me open it and show it to you, and then we'll scratch off some states, because I'm going to go back from when I first opened my shop in November, and we're gonna start tracking from there. Okay, let's do it. And feel free, you guys, if I didn't scratch off your state, you can be the real MVP and make that happen. It's the map. It's the map. It's the map. It's the map. I couldn't help. I had to sing the song. I had to sing it. So let's go scratch off some states from the orders that I've gotten previously. I'm already excited to see like how many states I've already conquered. No, not conquered. I've already influenced. No, that I've already gotten orders to. how many states I have already gotten orders to. Let's go see. Because it was rolled up in the tube, it won't lay flat. So I'm using some of my candles from Green Beauty for Us to just hold it down while I do the scratch off with you guys. So let's get started. First state is Virginia in the house. Woo! Virginia. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Oh, I should have zoomed in. That makes more sense, right? There you go. Next. Who's next? Who's next? New York, where I'm from. Hey, New York. So New York definitely came out. Thank you, New York. And this is from Poughkeepsie, New York. Let me do it this way so you guys can see. So New York is getting scratched off. I'll fix that later. Next up is Maryland. Maryland, there you go. Hey, Maryland. Maryland's in the house. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Connecticut. Hartford, Connecticut. Thank you, Connecticut. All right, we're getting there. Let me zoom in some more. Moving on. Texas, yes. Yo, Texas is big. Ready? It's gonna take me a while to do Texas. Texas is in the house. Thank you so much, Texas. Thank you so much. This is gonna take me a while. I got most of Texas scratched off, but I'll fix it later. Next up is Georgia. Why do I feel like I have to do the accents? Nadia, you don't have to do an accent for each state. Thank you so much, Georgia. Thank you. Next we have North Carolina. Raleigh, North Carolina. Georgia. Oh no, I did South. No. Oh no. Okay, just a little bit. Can I put it back? No. Okay, let's just do North. And maybe hopefully down the line I can see a South Carolina order and then I wouldn't feel that bad. Man. South. Alright. It was North, not South. Pennsylvania. Alright. Hey, Pennsylvania. Thank you. Let me tell you something. The East Coast is really showing out. West Coast, what's going on with y'all? West Coast, what is going on with you guys? The East Coast is really holding your girl down. Massachusetts. If you know that this is your order, leave a comment in the comment section. I really appreciate it, Mass. Thank you so much. Massachusetts, when I was younger, I couldn't say Massachusetts. Even to this day, as a grown woman, I still can't say Massachusetts. Massachusetts. M.A. Thank you so much. First time on the West Coast. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Let's turn the camera. Give it up. West Coast in the house. Why am I so extra? Come on over. Let's go to West Coast. You ready? West Coast in the house. They stepping out. Let me just make sure. CA. California knows how to party. Okay, that's copyright now, dear. That's copywritten. Thank you so much, California. That's Cali. All right, let's see who's next. DC, the capital. Washington, DC. A little section over here. Ohio. Toledo, Ohio. That's where I used to live. Ohio, thank you so much. Next up is Wisconsin. Wisconsin, hey! I don't know why, like, I'm laughing because I'm like, I would never think, like, some states is like, you know, I just was like, I wasn't expecting Wisconsin. Like, Wisconsin, Iowa, not trying to play anyone from those states, but it was just unexpected. So when I saw it on my Etsy order, I started to laugh. Thank you so much, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. So you guys, this is it so far. This is it. Many orders, but you know, it's from repeating states. So I still have a lot of states that I haven't tapped into that I need to, I don't know, somehow tap into, get new orders from. But most of my orders are from the repeating states, especially in the Northeast area. You guys are showing love in the Northeast area. But thank you everyone that has placed an order. This is really a fun activity and I get excited to see which new states I will be tapping into soon. I can't wait to just scratch off this entire map and look back and I'm like, wow, like my stickers are all over, like, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you everyone for your order. Like I've said so many times, I can't thank you enough. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, that's that for now. I'm going to close out this video and hopefully you guys will stick around for the next video. Subscribe if you're interested. And that's it. Bye.